This is the Amazon Basics 2-seater convertible sofa bed. Now in this video, I'm gonna quickly unbox it, show you everything that comes in here, and then I will show you exactly how to put it together. All right, so here's the box it comes in, and this is a pretty large box. It's not terribly heavy though, it weighs just about 80 pounds. And right out of the box, this comes with a nice fabric covering, and then it's all very securely strapped together. And after undoing all that, there's basically just these two large seat pieces. And if you follow the red string, that will lead you to all of the hardware. And this could be some fun hidden storage as well once this is all put together. But anyway, inside of that packaging, there are these 6 really solid metal legs and then a packet of hardware. Looks like all of these are the same size, so it should be super easy to assemble. And then of course there is an instruction manual as well. But anyway, now to assemble it, you're going to flip both cushions upside down like so, lining up the sides so that these holes are matching. And then in each corner you're going to line up the angled legs with the holes so they're pointing out, and then screw them in using 2 of the machine screws. And these screw right into some metal threaded inserts, so it is a very solid connection. Once you have all 4 of the corner legs put on, then you can attach the cushions together using the 2 straight legs. And just make sure before you tighten it all down that the front of the couch is perfectly lined up. And that's pretty much it. Now we just need to flip this upright, which is the most difficult part if you don't have anyone to help you. But there we go, that was very easy to assemble. It took me just about 12 minutes. And you can see the foam here is still a little bit flat. You will have to leave this for a few hours for it to fully puff up. And you can fold both of these sides up to kind of turn it into a couch. Or if you want to turn it into a bed, you can fold these backwards. And actually, before you do that, you need to unzip the back and pull out the metal support leg. Same with this one here. And then you can fold both of these down. And there we go. Now it's set up as a bed. So yeah, overall, very easy to assemble and to convert from a sofa to a bed.